Hi beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you are new, hi, I'm Tati. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys like what you see, and if you do, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Let's subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click that subscribe button, and as well turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss any new videos that I post. Today's video we are gonna be testing out some new makeup that I purchased on my last video that I huge massive haul. I love trying out some new makeup, like just love makeup. But before we get to that, let me drink my lemonade. So let's begin. First, gonna apply lip oil. My lips are looking really dry right now, so they need to have like oil in them. I'm gonna be using the Cap lip oil in blue raspberry. I purchased this at Cappuccino. If you have not seen my Cappuccino mega drop and drop shot haul, the link is gonna be in the description box below. This smells so good. The sponge, it is super big. I already did my eyebrows. I always do my eyebrows off camera because I just take so long to do my eyebrows. If you want to see an updated eyebrow tutorial, go check it out. The link is somewhere in the screen, or it's gonna be in the description box below. So let's move these bands out of the way. So much better. I'm gonna start off first by doing my eyes, because I always do my eyes first before doing anything else to my face. If you guys hear some screaming, that is my baby's playing. This is the raspberry lemonade. I'm gonna be using the Morphe 2 High and Peak concealer in the shade Soft Tan. Oh, I like the packaging of this. This is frosted glass. This concealer had so many good reviews. It says that it really covers any imperfection. We are gonna see if it's true. Looking for my mirror, you guys. My AOA mirror. I'm blending the concealer with the Morphe 173 brush. Okay, for today's palette, I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutral palette. I had to use this one because this one has some beautiful colors. Look at this palette. Maybe some of you guys already seen it, maybe some of you guys have not seen it, but look at these colors. Warm colors, my type of color that I love to wear. I'm gonna let the music play, but I'm gonna show you guys which color is the one that I'm gonna be using. Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never. It's
lashes are super long. These are the Kiss Lash Drip Spiky S Boosted Volume in the style Icy. They feel comfortable. I don't feel the lashes on, but they are very long. I like it for a special occasion like party or dinner, but for like an everyday lashes, I will not wear this. For my everyday lashes, I will wear this one. That is the Silk from Amazon, like my favorite lashes. This palette is amazing. You guys saw my crazy happy dance that I did. It is so pigmented, so buttery. It's like your everyday color. Now let's move on with the face. I'm so excited because I have so many products that I am really excited to try. I haven't moisturized my face. I just washed my face. That's the only thing I did. Today, I'm gonna be using the Dominique Cosmetics Blur and Moisture Serum Primer. So this is all in one face product that I use before applying foundation. It is in one product. I apply my serum, moisturizer, then apply all in one. And I like that this comes with a pump because I already showed you guys in my Foxy Charm Mega Drop Plus Drop Shot. You guys know when I love when a product comes with the pump, and the reason why. I'm very impressed with this primer, moisturizer, serum. Very smooth when you blend it. It does give you a glow. I'm gonna apply a little bit more on the center of my nose because that's where I have my pores. This is supposed to blur your pores. See how smoothly my face look? Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna give it a 10. I'm gonna be using the Sheglam Hydrating Foundation. I'm finally gonna be using this one. I got two shades because I was undecided which one was gonna be the shade, the one that is gonna be matching my skin. I got the shade Caramel and I also got the shade Cappuccino. These foundations are very affordable. They were for like $8 and it also comes with their fancy bag. I call it a fancy bag. I love the packaging. I love the new color, and then it has the logo on the top, which is SG Sheglam. Get ready for Skinfinite, I'm gonna say it like that. Possible with our creamy medium coverage foundation that's designed to mimic the natural look of your skin. So this is supposed to give you a medium coverage. It's a buildable and breathable for a burly there feel. So it's breathable. You're not gonna feel that you have foundation on. Let's find out, you guys. This is the shade Cappuccino. And this next one is the shade Caramel. I hope that this foundation doesn't oxidize. They kind of look the same, kind of, just that the Caramel looks warm. I think for today, I'm gonna go with Caramel. I think that Caramel looks a little bit better than Cappuccino. So I'm gonna use Caramel today. I really don't like the smell. I'm gonna tell you guys that it has a smell and I really don't like it. Hopefully the smell goes away and it doesn't stay there. Let's apply a little bit more of the primer because I cleaned up that part. Cappuccino looks good as well. I'm not gonna say it doesn't look good, but I just like how Caramel looks a little bit better. But I'm still gonna be using Cappuccino as well, so I can switch it up sometimes. For the foundation brush that I'm gonna be using to blend this foundation, I'm gonna be using it from the Brilliant Tools. I just got these two brushes. I heard so many good things for blending your foundation because it's gonna blend it more quicker. I think I'm gonna go with this brush right here, and then later on I'm gonna use this one. This is the large slanted double dome blender. So let's put this brush to the test. Okay, that was quick. So that really blended the foundation very quickly. So they were not lying with that. The foundation smells like it smells bad. Hopefully it goes away. Hopefully. I don't want to be smelling like this all day. Very impressed with this foundation. He blended that foundation like quick. This foundation gave me a light coverage. I didn't see no medium coverage there because I can still see my redness here. That is my rule for the foundation. If it has my redness, it gives you a full coverage. If it hides it a little bit, it gives you a medium coverage. And if it does hide it at all, it's giving you a light coverage. And that is what this foundation gave me. It gave me a light coverage. Let's build it up to the second palm, and I'm gonna be applying a little bit more and see if it's gonna give me that medium coverage. But the brush, you guys, the brush is amazing. I can see a little bit of my redness, so I must say it is a medium coverage. When you apply the first layer, it gives you a light coverage. This brush is like amazing. The foundation is good as well, just as it smells. So let's move on with the concealer. I'm gonna take the concealer. I'm gonna go with the Morphe 2 High and Peak Concealer in Soft Tan. I'm gonna take one of these Badillion Tools brushes for blending the concealer. I'm gonna take the same one that I use for the foundation, which is this one. This is the mama and this is the baby. This one is called the Small Slanty Double Dome Blender. I like it. I like how they blended the concealer. These two, they are the makeup game changer. These brushes are the one. Okay, so let's move on with blush. I'm gonna use the SS Revolution Cream Blush. I had to use this. I love the packaging. Look at this color. Beautiful coral color. I almost dropped it. This one is called the Book Warm. It says that this is a cream blush, but it doesn't feel creamy. It feels powdery. Guys, this blush, it is limited. I'm impressed. Let's move on by setting this concealer. I thought it was gonna be a cream blush, so that's why I didn't set the concealer. I'm gonna be using the RCMA Makeup No Color Powder. Been hearing so many good things about this powder. This powder is supposed to give you no color, but it does supposed to set the concealer. Next, I'm going with bronzers. I'm gonna take the Morphe Bronze Show bronzers, Velvet Matte Pressed Powder Bronzer. I got two shades that is called Mocha Moment and Tropical Tan. I'm gonna be using Tropical Tan. I know Tropical Tan has a red tone, so I just have to be careful. I'm gonna be taking the Tropical Tan. I'm gonna be using this shade to contour the nose. Next, I'm going with the Morphe Glow Show highlighter in the shade Dripping Gold. I'm gonna go back again with that Jaclyn Hill Divine palette, and I'm gonna be taking this shade for highlighting in the inner corner of my eyes. For the lips, I'm gonna take these two products. I already used these. This is the Persona Liquid Lipstick in OG Matte. I fell in love with how does it look on the lips, so I'm gonna just use it again. I'm gonna use it with the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetic Lip Liner in her line. I'm not gonna set this because I'm not going nowhere, but if you recreate this look, just remember to set it. Just wanted it to play around with makeup. I'm just taking the Tropical Tan and just applying it just a little bit on top of this red tone that I applied, just to make it just a little bit warmer. It's a little bit too red. This is the completed look. That's complete this look. I am really impressed with all of this makeup. It's not one that I was like not that impressed, and I was really shocked about these lashes, especially this Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette is just amazing. I just like how this look came out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know what other video you guys would like to see in the comment box below. Don't forget to give this video some love by giving it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, so you guys can be part of this squad, and turn on that post notification so you can be noticed when I will be posting my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.